So we had a plan to drive back down south in the Dorset area to walk more of the southwest coast path. However, our American friends who we hadn't seen since 2023 were going to be in London. We received a text and invite for dinner. How could we refuse such an invitation? But dinner was also the same day we were travelling south. So we made a plan. Travel to London, see our friends, have dinner, and then drive to Dorset. Sound simple? This is how we got on.
Oh, we're on our way to London. Sunday lunch in Chelsea for us today. You're looking rather smart.
For a change.
Should be a good day. Oh, you chitty chitty bang bang, chitty chitty bang bang, we love you. And our chitty chitty bang bang, chitty chitty bang bang loves us too. Near, far, in a motor car. La 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 la.
So yes, we followed Chitty Chitty Bang Bang on the M25 for a short while before diverting off. Our destination, Hounslow East and the nearby tube line.
We are here at Hounslow East and we are going to be taking this line all the way. Get off at South Kensington, then we're going to have to walk down to the river because we're meeting our American friends for Sunday lunch.
Okay, where the hell are we? So we've made it to South Kensington. We've got about an hour to kill before we meet up with our friends for Sunday lunch. So we're going to head down by the river. You may have heard of it, it's called the Thames. It's very posh around here. Well, it's... where we're eating later on, so we're early. If you come to London, or when you come to London, there are hundreds of statues like this one, hidden all around London. Behind that bridge in the distance is Battersea Power Station. Could do some mudlarking, couldn't we?
From up here.
Not from up here. We could go down the steps and find a pipe from the 18th century. And now we wait. So how long have we been travelling?
It took us about 2 hours to get to East Hounslow. Then it was probably half an hour on the tube and then probably a 15-minute walk. It's a beautiful day.
Beautiful. Almost 3 hours to grab Sunday lunch. But we are meeting up with our American friends, our daughter and son-in-law.
Our friends fly home tomorrow, so...
Do they?
Yeah. And then when we finish lunch, we shall be driving to Dorset, where we shall resume our holiday.
We're going to carry on walking the South West Coast path. So once we were reunited with our friends, we sat at a table and enjoyed a couple of hours of great conversation and a Sunday roast. Lunch done.
Very nice. Lovely to catch up with Kevin and Buzz.
Yeah.
Now, 2.5 hours, 3 hours to the seaside.
Yay!
Away from the hustle and bustle of the aeroplane.
Oh, yeah, that. After several hours driving, we reached Dorset and our accommodation for the night. Later that evening, we found ourselves a lovely beach, relaxed, and watched the sun go down on our walking route for the next 4 days. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos and join us next time for our next stage of the South West Coast Path. Bye for now.